Welcome to part 8, Open Console. Thus far, we've used the web interface of Python Anywhere to complete tasks. We can also run commands on a command line, and that's by opening a console. And once we do that, then we're going to explore the file system and the Python installations on our machine. Let's go to Python Anywhere. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a link to consoles. Go ahead and click that, and then click on Bash to start a new Bash shell. And then once it's loaded, we will be able to run a few commands. It'll just drop us down into a Bash shell prompt. So one thing I like to do is figure out where I am on this machine. So I am in the home directory, under data. I can list the contents here with ls. So I should mention that this is a Linux machine, and so you'll understand bash commands. All right, so our project is in Corona, so if we do ls Corona, we can see that, all right, there is our project, assets and data directory with the Python files. Okay, that's great. Now, we are going to install libraries that are needed, but we can also figure out what libraries we have available. We are using Python 3.8, and the way Python Anywhere has the command for Python Anywhere to update libraries is pip 3.8. So it's just specifically to this Python 3.8. There's also a Python 3.9 installation, but we chose 3.8. So pip 3.8 will show us the libraries in the Python 3.8 installation specifically. And to do this, you can run this pip list command. So this will show us all of the libraries that are already installed. So if you take a look over here, you can see all of the libraries. There's quite a lot of libraries. And let's look over here. So here's SciPy right here. That's going to be used for finding the optimization or tuning the parameters of our function. Pandas is up here, right there. Plotly is also installed, and Dash is even installed right here. Okay, so that is the Python console. You can use it to run commands. You have to remember though, you only get 100 CPU seconds, and this is where the CPU seconds start to accumulate. So we don't want to spend. Even though we've only issued a few very short commands, it is still taking up some of our CPU time. Okay, so we're going to come back here and install the libraries in the next video.